Hello everyone, it's Birendra, your chemistry teacher in front of you, and today I am with a new topic, that is solid state numericals of class 12th NCERT. So today we will discuss how to solve the numericals from solid state chapter. So first of all, if you see, there are 4 types of numericals based on solid state. First type, we can say that we have to find the density, if you want to find the density. Second type of numericals are based if you have to find the number of atoms. Third type is how to find the atomic mass or molar mass. And fourth type of numericals are based on how to find the nature of the unit cell. So if you have, we have already studied about the solid state, and we know about the cubic structures, and we know that if in the first question, now this is our first question, we can see here, first numerical is an element crystallizes in BCC lattice with edge length 400 picometer, find its density if 250 gram of element contain 2.5 into 10 raised to power 24 atoms. So this is a numerical and we have to solve it. So first of all, whatever is given to you, we have to mention it. So this is the easiest way to attempt the numerical. Okay, all these numericals are taken from the board examination. Okay, so see here, this is the, first of all, let me make it clear what is given, okay, and what we have to find, then we will see. An element crystallizes in BCC lattice. So BCC lattice means we can say that BCC lattice is given here, it is given BCC lattice. Okay, we can write the lattice structure is BCC type. Then with edge length means we can say, I am just writing here first edge length, then we will see the symbol of all these. Edge length is given 400 picometer. And we have to find the density. Now density we have to find. I have written here, density we have to find, and if 250 gram of element contain, now 250 gram means this is the mass, mass is given you 250 gram, and number of contains 2.5 into 10 raised to power 24 atom, that means 250 gram of mass contains this much number of atoms. So number of atoms is given to you, number of atoms is given 2 into 10 raised to power 24. Okay. Now see, BCC lattice means this is Z, and for BCC Z is equal to 2. Edge length means this is A. Density we know is known as D. Mass we can say this is W or M, small m also we can say W or small m, and number of atoms is given to you. Okay. So the formula, we know that density, this is the formula, density is equal to, we know this is equal to Z into molar mass upon A cube into Avogadro number. So here in this question we can see BCC means Z is given to us, A is given to us, and density Na is we already know. Okay, M is not given. So how to find M? First of all, how we will find M? So to find M, we will take the help of this. We already know mass and number of atoms. Okay, now see, this is the formula for density. Okay, now we know that this is known to us, this is known to us, and Avogadro number we know. Now we have to find M, and to know the M, if M is not given and mass and number of atoms is given, then this is the formula we can apply to find M. Molar mass is always equal to W, means mass of that compound or element, Avogadro number, and upon number of atom. So in place of M, we can put the values. Now W we know, W is already given to us this 250. So capital M is equal to W means 250 we can write here. Avogadro number we know 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Make it clear. This is M is equal to, we can say W, this is given here 250, and A means Avogadro number, this is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and number of atoms is already given here 2 into 10 raised to power 24. Okay, so this is how we can find M. Now this value we will put here. We have to find density, so there is no need to change the formula. So D will be equal to Z, we will put here 2. In place of M now we can put this value. So 250 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 and upon A. Now see here A is given, but we have to find A cube. That means we have to take the cube of 400 picometer. Now this is in picometer and density comes in centimeter. So here we have to change picometer into centimeter. That means we will have to multiply picometer by 10 raised to power minus 10. Okay, so how we will convert this value? We can convert it here. This is, we can say that 400 picometer, this is equal to 400 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Now this is in centimeter. Now this value comes in centimeter. So here we will put 400 into 10 raised to power minus 10 and whole cube of this whole value. We will have to put whole cube. Okay, that means whole cube of 400 also. And then multiply by Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So we can say Avogadro number is cancelled and then we can solve the equation. So this is how we will solve the equation, and after solving we will get the density, and the unit for density will be gram per centimeter cube. So this is our first question, how to find density. Now here I have given a practice question. This question you can practice yourself, but what is the difference in this question? Here BCC structure it was, here it is FCC structure. That means the value of Z here will be 4. A is already given in picometer, so we have to convert it into centimeter. So we will have to multiply this value by 10 raised to power minus 10 to convert it into centimeter. And if it is given in centimeter, then there is no need, remember it, okay, because density is always in centimeter. That's why we have to convert as length into centimeter. And M, same way it is given 300 and number of atoms is 2 into 10 raised to power 24 atoms. This is 2.5, sorry, 2.5, it was 2.5 into 10 raised to power 24. So this practice question you can do. I have given the answer also here for this question. So if you attempt the question same way, you can get the answer. Now second type of numericals are to find number of atoms. Now this was very easy to find the density. Okay. Here two formulas you have to keep in mind. One is this one to find the density, D is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Avogadro number, and another one for finding molar mass. M is equal to mass multiplied by Avogadro number upon number of atom. Now coming to second type of question. Now same way, first of all, we will write what is given to us. Now see the question is, an element occurs in BCC lattice. BCC lattice means we can say that Z is equal to 2. Edge length is given, that means A is given to us. So A is given 288 picometer. So same way, picometer we will convert into centimeter, multiplying by 10 raised to power minus 10. And density is given, that means D is given to us. D is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. And how many atoms 208 gram of element contain? Now here mass is given and you have to find M. Okay, so we can write here mass is given here. Mass is 208 gram and number of atoms you have to find. This is the question. Okay, now same way, first of all we will write the formula. Density, same formula you have to write. Density is equal Z is given to us, D is given to us, and in place of M only mass is given and this is not given to us. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we have to find here, we have to find what we have to find here, this we have to find. Okay, so now what we will do, first we will try to find M. Okay, so what we will do, with the help of this formula we can find M. So now M is equal to D density multiplied by A cube multiplied by Avogadro number upon Z means. Okay, now we will put here value. Now put the values. Okay, so molar mass M, this is equal to D. D means 7.2 we can put here. A cube is 288, so same way 288 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10 whole cube and multiplied by Avogadro number. So this again you will have to multiply it by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 and then upon Z means Z is equal to 2 because it is BCC structure, so we will put here 2. Okay, so in this way we will get the value of M. This is the value of M. Okay, now we will calculate it and after calculating we will get the value 51.8 gram per mole. Now see, we got molar mass and now we have to get number of atoms. So now what we can say, now we will apply mole concept. What we will say? We will say that this 51.18 gram, okay, this much grams are present in 1 mole. This is gram per mole, that means 51.18 gram is present in 1 mole. 1 mole means Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay, therefore 208 gram, therefore 208 gram will contain how many number of atoms. So this will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 multiplied by 208 upon 51.8. So after calculating this you will get the answer, number of atoms. So this is second type of question. Now same type of question I have given you for practice also. Okay, what is the difference in this question? That in place of BCC, here we are having FCC structure. So in the same question, in place of Z is equal to 2, we will put Z is equal to 4. And same way, A is given in picometer, so multiply it by 10 raised to power minus 10 and whole cube for A cube. D is given, M is 280. And this is the answer of the question that you have to do. Okay, so this practice question is same based on the sample question that I have given to you. Now, two type of question we have seen: to find density, to find number of atoms. Now, third type of question, if we have to find atomic mass, okay, or molar mass. The difference between atomic mass and molar mass. What is the difference between? Atomic mass means this is the mass of just one atom, and molar mass is the mass of 1 mole, okay, like NaCl. So we will not say atomic mass of sodium chloride, we will say molar mass of NaCl, okay. But if it is only sodium, then we will say atomic mass of sodium. So this is the difference between atomic mass and molar mass. Now coming to the third type of question. See here, this is the third type of question. An element with density this 11.2 gram per centimeter cube forms a FCC lattice with edge length 4 into 10 raised to power minus centimeter, and you have to find its molar mass. So first, same way, what we will do, first of all we will try to write what is given to us. So see, an element with density is given, so we will write here D. D is given 11.2 gram per centimeter cube, and FCC lattice, that means Z is equal to 4 with edge length means A is given 4 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. Now see here, this is centimeter, so there is no need to multiply it by 10 raised to power minus 10, remember it, okay. There is no need to convert it because it is already given in centimeter. Here it is given in picometer. Okay, so this is the difference between picometer and centimeter. So, and we have to find its molar mass, we have to find. Okay, this was the question. And M we have to find. Very easy question. Now what we will do? Same formula we will write. Okay. Formula is density is equal to Z into molar mass upon A cube multiplied by Avogadro number. So see here, this you have to find. There is nothing difficult in this question. Okay, so M we will bring here and D we will take there. So by cross multiplying we can say, now we will say we have to find molar mass. So capital M, this is equal to, we can cross multiply it, so it will be equal to D density multiplied by A cube into Na upon Z upon Z. Okay, so this is, now you can put the value. Now see, density is given, question number 3 you can see 11.2, I have written here, so you can see here. Okay, so density we will write 11.2. A is already given 4 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Okay, and Avogadro number we know 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay, when we are doing calculation there is no need to take a 6.022. Okay, we can take 6.02 also. Okay, so it will make your calculations easier. And upon Z we know this is equal to 4. So we will put here 4. And after calculation we will get the value of M. And this will be in gram per mole. Okay, the unit of M will be gram per mole. Unit you have to mention. If you don't write or if you forget to write unit during your board examination, your half marks will be deducted. Okay, so remember it, keep it in mind. Now see, this is the practice question. Practice question is, An element with density 7.2 gram per centimeter cube form BCC lattice. Same type of question, but here in place of FCC, I have given BCC, okay, with edge length 288 picometer, but here you have to convert edge length into centimeter. Find its molar mass. So same way you have to do the question, and answer is given here. Now 4 type of question, okay, 4 type you can see to find nature of unit cell. Okay, now what is nature? Student get confused that how to find the nature. You can see the question. Now I am coming to the question. See here the question. Question is, an element with molar mass 27 gram per mole and edge length 4.05 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. If its density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, what is the nature of the unit cell? Now see here, nature of the unit cell. Okay, got confused? Now see here, there is no need to be confusion. Okay, now see what to do in this question. First of all, same way, we will write whatever is given to us, and then we will try to find what we have to find it out. Okay, now see the question. An element with molar mass. So here molar mass is given, means capital M is already given to you. So molar mass is 27 gram per mole. Okay, this is always of 1 mole. And edge length is given, A is given to you, 4.05 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Now see here, this is centimeter, so remember, no need to convert it into, okay, this is not picometer, this is centimeter. So no need of changing. And density is given 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, why we take edge length in centimeter? Because density you can see this is also given in centimeter, that's why. If it is in picometer, we have to convert it into centimeter. This is the reason only. And what is the nature? Now see what is the nature. Nature means structure or lattice structure. That means Z you have to find here in this question. Okay, so very easy. Write the formula. D is equal to M, D is equal to Z into M upon A cube into NA. Okay, everything is given here. Z you have to find. So Z we can take this way. So we can say that Z is equal to D into A cube into NA upon capital M. Okay, and remember, because the value of Z is either 2 or it is 4. So even if your value comes 3.98 approximate, don't get confused that your question is wrong. Your question is not wrong. Okay, this can be approximate. So 3.98 can be taken as 4. Similarly, 1.94 or 9798 can be taken as 2. So this is not necessary that you will get complete 4 in the answer. Okay, so this is the 4th type of question. One more type I have given you, that this is also very easy. Silver forms FCC lattice if edge length is 4.077 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Find radius of the silver atom. This is very easy. Okay, you have to find radius. Sometimes such type of questions are also given in the board. Radius, here nothing you have to do. See here, edge length is given to you. Okay, edge length means A is given to you. A is 4.077 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, and you have to find radius. So remember, for FCC, if it is FCC, you have to apply this formula, that radius is equal to root 2 multiplied by A upon 4. This is the formula you have to apply. So A is given to you, radius you can easily find, you can write the value R is equal to root 2 multiplied by 4.077 into 10 raised to power minus 8 upon 4. Root 2, you know the value of root 2, and in this way you can do the question. So this is all about your numericals. Now I think that it's very easy for you to do all types of different type of numericals of solid state. Thank you.